I will never follow this exception. The less ohms the ground, the better. In my mission of ensuring that my customers have the most reliable and safest electrical systems in the industry, I need to make sure that their grounding electrical system for their electrical is fully complete and connected. In this 400 amp service, this was not done. All grounding electrode systems need to be installed in a manner that limits the voltage imposed by lightning, line surges, or unintentional contact with higher voltages lines that will stabilize the voltage to earth during normal operation. As many electricians would call this, these are called transient voltages, and these are very dangerous to any electrical system. In my humble opinion, the grounding electrical system is the most important system in any given business or home. The next most important thing in the electrical system would be bonding, but we're going to talk about that in another video. All grounding electrodes should be clean of paint or enamel that would prevent the continuity of the electrode itself and be installed below moisture levels or frost lines. There are 6 common grounding electrodes. 1. Metal underground water pipe. 2. Concrete encased electrode. 3. Metal in-ground support structure. 4. Ground ring. 5. Rod and pipe electrodes. 6. Plate electrodes. I have only ever come across 2 electrodes in residential. That would be concrete encased electrode and rod and pipe electrodes. With the use of PVC and other plastic materials, I would never count a water bond, the water pipe, as a grounding electrode. With any grounding electrode installed, you're required to install a supplemental electrode as well. This supplemental electrode could be of type rod, pipe, or plate electrode. As a matter of fact, I have never seen a plate electrode. Anyway, this supplemental electrode that you install should never be closer than 6 feet to another electrode. This would impede upon its ability to be a good conductor to ground. When installing the most common type of electrode, the ground rod needs to be installed 8 feet into the ground and have 8 feet of contact with soil. Ground rods can also be installed up to a 45-degree angle, and if that doesn't work, you can install them flat in the ground 30 inches deep. If a single rod, pipe, or plate grounding electrode has the resistance to earth of 25 ohms or less, the supplemental electrode shall not be required. I will never follow this exception. The less ohms the ground, the better. Watch me make my electrical systems the finest in the world. Well, at least better than before.